Hey, welcome back. If you tried the 5 fixes from my last video and disk usage is still maxed out, this video covers the deeper fixes for high disk usage on Windows 11 for when the quick fixes didn't work. Let's get into it. First, a clean boot. This tells you whether some third-party app or driver is causing the problem rather than Windows itself. First, disable your startup apps. Just open Task Manager directly and go to the Startup Apps tab. Go through the list and disable anything you don't recognize or don't need running at startup. Close Task Manager. Now press Windows key plus R, type msconfig, hit Enter. Go to the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Then click Disable all. Press Apply, then OK, and choose Restart Now. After it restarts, check Task Manager again. If disk usage is normal now, something you just disabled was the cause. If it's still high, Windows itself is more likely the problem, and the fixes below still apply. One thing to flag: this disables NVIDIA, Intel, and any other third-party services too. That's expected. It's what a clean boot is supposed to do. Your drivers still work, you're just temporarily losing background extras like GeForce Experience Overlay or Intel's Control Panel utilities. Once you're done testing, go back into msconfig, uncheck Disable All on the Services tab, or just re-enable whatever you want back. Click OK, and restart again to return to normal. Next, check the drive itself for errors. Search PowerShell and choose Run as administrator. Type this and hit Enter. CHKDSK. C, F, 10, R. Since C is your system drive, Windows can't scan it while it's running. You'll get a prompt asking if you want to check the drive the next time you restart. Type Y and hit Enter. Restart your PC. CHKDSK will run automatically before Windows loads, and depending on your drive size, this can take anywhere from 10 minutes to over half an hour. Let it finish completely. Don't turn off your PC partway through. Once it's done, Windows will boot normally. Next, we check for corrupted Windows system files. 2 tools here, run in this order: DISM first, then SFC. Same admin command prompt. Type this first: DISM, online, clean up image, restore health. This can take a while, 20 minutes or more. It's also known for appearing to freeze at certain percentages, especially somewhere around 60 to 70%. That's normal. It's usually downloading replacement files in the background with no visible progress update. Don't close it, just let it run. When it finishes, you'll get a success or failure message. If it succeeded, it might say it found and fixed corrupted files, or it might say there was nothing to fix. Both are fine outcomes. Now run the second command. SFC, scan now. This checks protected system files and repairs anything damaged, usually in 5 to 15 minutes. When it's done, restart your PC and check Task Manager again. Last one, virtual memory, also called the page file. Windows key plus R, type, System Properties Advanced, hit Enter. Under Performance, click Settings, then go to the Advanced tab. Then click Change under Virtual Memory. By default, there's a checkbox at the top: Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. If it's already checked, leave it. That's the healthy default. If it's unchecked for some reason, just check it back on, click Set, then OK. No need to manually configure anything. And for most people, there's nothing to change here. If disk usage is still high after all of this, it might not be something software can fix worth checking if your drive itself is old or failing, or if it's time for an SSD upgrade. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Windows fixes. Thanks for watching.